We got Mitchell's tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charge on it.
Gotta hit up Mitch, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back out at the Freedom Factory. A little something different this time. We're gonna get to drive the Crown Vics through the Cleetus drive experience. Frank out here at the Freedom Factory, we tinted a lot of stuff for them, a bunch of side-by-sides last week. So I asked him, can we drive? And sure enough, they're gonna let us do it. But we each get 20 laps and we have to go on a sight lap. They're gonna drive us on one lap, kind of to show us how fast to go and all that. But this is gonna be crazy. So we're about to take this class. They're gonna take us on a lap and then we get 20 laps each. But this ought to be pretty fun. It's gonna be me, Barry, and Jarji. So let's get to it. You got me a penguin, bro. Penguin.
Looks good on the burger.
Pretty cool deal, or if you know somebody that
This is a video that that's the air for you guys. And thank you so much for coming to the Freedom Factory to enjoy one of our Crown Vics. Rule number 1, stay off the grass. You guys know the rules. Grass ground. And I'll give you maybe one more. You guys got a lot covered before you get out there and get ripping.
3 and 4. This is what we call the hill. This is where you enter and exit the track. This little mark is where the flagman is.
It's going to be a little sluggish going up this hill, but it'll help keep you loaded up in the corners. On your way out, you're going to stop at the top right here where Scott's at, and he's going to do a radio check with you. Make sure your comms are all crystal clear and you can hear, because you're going to want to have Ryan in your ear. It's a 12-degree bank that you're feeling that we're going down right now. So in the event that you are sending it at all and you start to fishtail, you start to slide, the ass thing comes around. If you're pointed this way and then you rip that wheel right trying to correct it and those hot sticky tires regain traction, you'll get sent right into that wall like 50, 60 miles an hour. Let it come back up. It's going to do a lot of the work for you. It's going to want to really pull up this section right here coming out of the corner. Then you bring your tires up to the line. We're going to lift a lot earlier. Get on the brake a little, dive down, and then let the car work its way back up. On the brake, dive it down. Cones accelerate by. Simple as that. So we got George up in here getting suited up. Barry's getting suited up and making tent appointments at the same time. Alright, so we're all suited up and we went on a sight lap. We got George over here looking like a...
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Look like an Indian dude or something with that on there. Hiya! Yeah, so we got first 3 dudes are going, and then we're the next 3 dudes after that. So we're gonna go up here and watch. Just check it out. All right, so the first driver just went. That was pretty cool. What'd you think there, Hashi?
Oh, he was good.
What's your name?
My name is Jarji.
Jarji.
Yeah.
Jar Jar Binks.
Oh my God.
Jarji Binks. I'm just kidding. He get that head wrap on because he forgot his hat. It was so hot out here, he didn't want to get that head sunburned. I usually actually have an extra hat in my truck, but I actually didn't. But that was pretty cool. Homeboy just went on the first 20 laps. So I think it's like 2 more people go and then it's our turn. So
Just gonna hang out and watch. Let's go.
What are you doing, bro?
Is that better?
Yeah. I think George. Huh? Just kidding. You nervous? No, not really. Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and pull your head sock down.
You can say, hey, go to hell, but it done had its turn. Any place, anywhere out there that's been curved.
Alright, you're ready to go, man.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
I'm tight. This thing is heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last 5 laps was so heavy I could not even turn, and I probably lost some points there, but
I don't know. I should be going here soon. I think Barry's out there right now, and then I'm gonna go. So I don't know. Let's go. All right, Barry's up here. We're gonna go check him out. Let's run up here and see. You going fast, Barry?
muscles grow
From driving?
from driving. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, that was Barry's go. I think I'm up next, so this ought to be pretty interesting. Let's go.
You can say, hey, go to hell, but it done had its turn. Any place, anywhere out there that's been cursed. I've been there first.
Alright, when you drive out of here, you'll go to second gear. So just all the way down, 1 foot up. I'll hit your camera on. Yep. And then when you get to the top of the hill, you'll stop up there and he'll do a radio check. Just give him a big thumbs up to hear it.
it's hot. That was definitely fun. Kept getting faster and faster, and I don't know, it was a blast. It's funny that we turned left the whole time, because now my whole left arm hurks literally from holding the wheel, but it was a great time.
Let's see the numbers now.
Yeah, we got to see who won. I think you won, technically, but we'll
Let's see. Yeah. That's Barry's numbers here. 22.7. What's your best? Let's see. 20.9. Hell yeah. But I still beat you.
Oh, man.
I got 20.5.
So Jarji came in first, I got second, Barry got third. So Jarji has to buy dinner.
Let's see. Oh, I have to buy that.
Winner buys dinner.
There's my 20.5, and I messed up here because I was trying something different, and then I kept 20s and 21s.
Alright guys, so we just finished up here at the Cleetus McFarland drive experience, and I have to say that was definitely the most fun thing I've ever done. You guys know I drift cars. I've never been in a race car. I know they're Crown Vics. It was still fun. We probably hit, what, 60 miles an hour, give or take? So Jarji won, he got first, I got second, and Barry got third. But there's all in-car footage we're gonna show you and all that. It should be pretty cool. But that's it for this episode. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.